in the car. The new car. The new to me car. Done a few little jobs on it to make it mine, as you always do on a new car. Change my shoes because I'm wearing my cozy slippers, and then I'm going to take a walk down in the woodland, and I'm going to suss out and see if I can find the bluebell fields. Now apparently they're quite impressive. We might be a bit early right now, but that doesn't matter. I just want to see where they are so that I can come back when they're all, well, all in flower. So let's check it out. Down here is a map showing the layout of the place, so hopefully we can find out where this bluebell field is. It doesn't mention anything here. Some old photographs. I think there's a picture there in these tree roots. Let's see what we can get. Need to get in close, I think. I'm just coming up to something now. I'm not quite sure what it is. We'll find out when we get there. I'll come back to that. There's a picture. There's a good picture. I like that. I'll try a couple of different things on that, I think. Little rock garden with heathers. They've made a little heather garden out of it. It's nice. Some daffodils just coming out. They're in the shade, so quite a few of them are already out. I think just there they're marigolds. Just there. Beautiful flowers. Don't take my word for it, I'll have to check it out, but I think they're marigolds. There's a little well. Don't think there's any fish in it. well. This is definitely one of the big boy trees. I think it's a very old redwood. I'm gonna go back and see if I can get that picture that I saw earlier, because I do think that could be a good picture.